Hello everyone, and welcome to my astrobiology podcast. Today we're going to be talking about the 100-year Starship project, which was founded by Dr. Maya Jemison in 2012 with a mission to make space travel beyond our solar system a reality by 2112. A little bit about myself before we get started, because I'm sure you're wondering who I am. My name is Chelsea Sunblade, and I'm a soon-to-be graduate from the University of Florida with my bachelor's in biology and a minor in sociology. I've always been interested in science since I was very young, but I've only recently, in the past 5 or 6 years, become interested in space travel and space in general. I thought everything space-related was physics and astronomy, and I've been interested in more living things, but then I discovered that there's a field entirely dedicated to living things in space, and that's astrobiology. One of the very first projects I heard about that got me interested in space from a biological perspective was the 100-year Starship project. It looks at several challenges to interstellar space travel, including the ship itself, the impact on the human body, and unknown challenges that may arise as a part of research in other areas. It offers some solutions related to energy and travel itself, and it partners with several initiatives, including one related to bone growth and another that's a partnership with the European Union that we'll also be discussing today. To get started, I'll let Dr. Jemison present a video that the 100-year Starship made. There will be links to all the videos and material at the end of the podcast. Let us begin.
From the first moments of human history, we have gazed in awe at the infinite sweep of the heavens. The stars formed our creation myths and cultures. The stars have witnessed every human achievement and each foible that has set us back. And they're still up there, waiting for us to advance enough to reach them. Once, we relied on the stars to navigate the Earth. Now, we're leaving the Earth to navigate the stars. Humanity and our planet stand at an inflection point. Will we continue on our current path of short-term thinking, a path that appears safe but flirts with stagnation? Or do we come together and push for humanity's next giant leap forward? At 100-year Starship, we are calling on members of our generations to complete a clear mission. Make the capabilities for human travel to another star a reality within the next 100 years. Because just as past exploration pushed breakthroughs in agriculture, communications, energy, transportation, materials, and medicine, the greatest rewards of interstellar travel will be felt here at home. We believe that pursuing an extraordinary tomorrow will create a better world today. And who participates makes all the difference. Join us on this audacious journey. The road to another sun won't be easy, but if it were, we wouldn't grow. No matter how hard things have gotten, no matter how dark, humans have never failed to look up. Up for inspiration, up for endless possibilities. With a humble craft hurtling toward a distant star, built by the best hearts, minds, and hands, we'll discover a better version of ourselves and bring a brighter, more harmonious, more sustainable life to the future generations who will call our beautiful blue planet their home.
There are many challenges to interstellar space travel, some of which I knew and others of which I had not really considered before learning about the 100-year Starship. One of the greatest problems is just how vast the universe is. The nearest star to our sun is Alpha Centauri, and it is 4.3 light years or 25.2 trillion miles away. This is not a day trip or a weekender by any means. The farthest we have gone is with the Voyager 1, which was launched in the 1970s and is currently 100 astronomical units away from Earth, traveling at around 35,700 miles per hour. An astronomical unit is the distance from our sun to Earth, and 35,700 miles per hour is really fast. But if we were to travel at that speed, it would take around 70,000 years to reach Alpha Centauri. But if we could somehow go 1,000 times faster, we could get there in only one lifetime of 70 years. We would then need to design a multi-generational spaceship. The spaceship is absolutely crucial because it will be our intermittent home on our adventures. Aspects of the spaceship that the 100-year Starship points out are the need for water recycling, a navigation system for our galaxy, a government or other organizing structure with authority, a way to grow and secure food for the mission, a way to generate energy in space, a method for information gathering and sharing in the spaceship community, a solution to how raw materials will be brought and used on the journey, and a way to maintain the equipment. Then there's the issue that humans are most adapted for life on Earth, of course, and a lot will need to take place to make sure space is safe. But there's also fun things to consider, like the culture and entertainment that we will take with us to another star and how they could transform in space. Once we get started, we may also discover challenges that we've never thought of before, also known as the great unknown.